Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to invest in the crypto industry and how you can live with crypto without having to stress. So today we'll talking about another way of profit you can gain from your crypto. That is called liquidity mining. First of all, we will have to talk about this amazing crypto exchange. This video is provided to you by an exchange called Gate.io. If you have not opened up your account, sign up for your account. Use the link in the description of this video. Gate.io is an amazing crypto exchange that allow you to get to interact in the crypto industry without having stress. So it's an amazing exchange and you can use it from anywhere in the world. So let's now jump to our subject today. Our subject today is about liquidity mining. What is liquidity mining? Liquidity mining is what is called a way of you providing liquidity to other people. What is liquidity? Liquidity is for some transaction to happen within different pairs. That's the fact of that transaction happening, that is called liquidity. That the transaction is provided by the liquidity. So in liquidity mining, you can gain just from you providing liquidity on different pairs of coins you like to say to provide liquidity. You will gain from just providing the liquidity in those pairs. So that is another way you can gain money by investing in the crypto industry without having to go to trades. So how do you invest in liquidity mining in Gate.io? You just go to Gate.io Finance, you click there and you'll get this page. On this page you click on the top left. You click on liquidity mining, you will get to the next step. This page will show you different pairs that needs liquidity. And they are the words we call API, those annual pen, percentage yield. So you select the pair you want to provide liquidity for. Let's say you select Spirit, the pair Spirit USDT. You want to provide liquidity for this pair. What you do is just to click on add. When you click on add, you'll get to this page and the first window here is showing you how you can provide liquidity for these two pairs. So you can choose to provide liquidity for both of them. If you have both of them, just use this one and you provide liquidity for all of them. You provide liquidity for spirits. If you have some spirit coin and USDT and you agree to the terms and click add, the second way is to provide only one coin, like as for this example is spirit, or you can provide for liquidity for the USDT on this pair. So that's how you can provide liquidity using the liquidity mining in Gate.io. This is the best way you can gain from your holding, you can gain from your cryptos without having to do trades. And this is the way, the second way you can gain apart from hold and earn. So this is all I had for you in this video and I will talk to you later. If you don't have your account yet, use the link in the description of this video and open up your account. I'll see you next time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment on below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.